Dryers are pretty straightforward. The heat's going to come on, the air's going to go blow through it. The heat will not come on if the air flow is not proper through it, meaning it's coming through, we're pulling in an airflow switch, then it completes the ignition circuit, and then it blows out. If the air is obstructed, maybe say at the end of your vent, you've got a screen on it, and that screen starts to get clogged, and it's backing up that airflow, that maybe you're not getting the heat circuit the entire time. Maybe that airflow switch is coming off and not staying hot. The other issue could be, believe it or not, is the washer. You think it's the dryer, but the washer's got a leaky water valve. We've talked about this a little bit, but it extracts out, but then it fills, that water still flowing, then it gets it all wet, you throw it in the dryer. Now that dryer's got to work that much harder to remove that water that you've reintroduced to a spun out load. And it takes some time. It's simple math, is how many BTUs to remove a pound of water. That doesn't change, that's physics. And so, being able to go back and trying to really figure out, is the heat staying on the whole time? Do you have enough makeup air? Are the venting right? And you don't have a problem with your washer. Could all contribute to dryers taking longer than they should. Dryers have, majority of them have moisture sensing devices on them. So we will know the percentage that moisture that's remaining in those, in say towels. The towel load's going to take longer to dry than a sheet load, right? A thin sheet's going to dry faster than a big heavy cotton. So if you have a machine that's smart enough, when you hit I'm drying towels, it's going to put the appropriate temperature in there. Let's say you're using a poly blend, you don't want real high heat on it. But towels, cotton, you do. And it's going to take longer. And the moisture sensing, what it'll do is it'll say, okay, I'm at 60, 70, 80% moisture, or whatever it is. And as it dries, it will tell you on there where its moisture content is being removed until you get to, let's say, 5% moisture, then the dryer will shut off. Using technology to dry no longer than you need to, but long enough to make sure that you don't have to come back. It's cooled down and now you got to restart it. It's got all reheated all back up, and lose that time is important. That you use technology to adjust to your loads versus, hey, I'm just going to set this for 20 minutes and then figure out what happened.